Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, we are making blueberry coffee cake. Guys, this blueberry coffee cake is an all-time favorite of mine. It's soft, a little dense, fluffy and moist, and loaded with blueberries and topped with sugar to give it that crunchiness. So guys, let's get right into the video. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To start, we are going to need dark and high cake mix. Into a medium bowl, we are adding in oil. We're gonna follow with buttermilk, beaten eggs. We are also adding in almond extract. We're gonna follow in with half a cup almond flour. And the last ingredient to add is the cake mix. Now using a handheld electric mixer, beat this for 2 minutes on low speed until it's well incorporated. After 1 minute, scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl, then continue to beat for 1 more minute. Our mixture looks good. Now we're gonna divide it among the ruffled baking cups, guys. These cups are like 5 inches wide, so I think I'm going to need about 9 cups for this recipe. Yeah, let's go ahead and fill up the cups. Once all the cups are filled, generously add blueberries. Next, sprinkle with white sugar, then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. I just pulled out the coffee cakes out of the oven, guys. It smells so good in here. I love to serve mine with whipped cream or just plain the way they are with coffee or tea. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me open one and show you guys how they look. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. These coffee cakes are soft and fluffy, and the almond flour gives it that dense texture, and guys, it just melts in your mouth. It's so yummy and so delicious. I hope you will try this recipe. Leave a comment down below, guys. Simple recipes, easy recipes that doesn't need you to put tons of ingredients just to make something simple like this. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my